The Meta API mistake breaking your auto posts. Meta auto posting fails when you use the wrong token type, not when the API is broken. They open Graph API Explorer and copy a token. Watch which one. Graph API Explorer gives a user token. IG needs a page token. Store user token, publish underscore promo underscore to underscore meta.py resolves page token via /me/accounts. Right token type, but short-lived tokens expire before your next weekly post. Nobody mentions expiry, they just paste and post. Short-lived tokens expire in hours. Nobody calendars it. Exchange for long-lived token, 60 days. Set a calendar reminder before expiry. Token sorted, but scheduling posts still fails if nobody owns the weekly reminder. They finally schedule posts, watch what token they're using. They schedule posts but never document which token type survives the week. Long-lived page token plus calendar reminder. Same token powers publish underscore promo underscore to underscore meta.py. Recap. 1. User token is not equal to page token. 2. Calendar token refresh. 3. Long-lived token for weekly schedule. Free guides link in description.